Good morning. Thank you to Christine and the ETS crew for bringing us together for the 10th annual HACC. I'm excited to see so many teams at the ready. We're literally surrounded by talent. Okay, virtually surrounded by talent. My promise to Thelma, in exchange for allowing me to record this in advance, was to make my pitch compelling. So here we go. Think back. When you were hanging out as a high school senior, did you have any idea what you were going to do when you got to college? And how would that experience go? And what about after college, your career, your dream job? For most of us, not so clear a path, and maybe a little bit and a few steps into that foggy, uncertain future. My name is Garrett Yoshimi. I'm the CIO for the University of Hawaii, and I'm here to present you with my challenge. A challenge to build a tool that will help thousands upon thousands of students using the power of AI to forge their own clear and certain pathway from education to opportunity. For generations, we've used this map, a simple linear pipeline to get from birth to career, worked wonders for the industrial age, and even a little bit into the early days of technology. But our world is changing. Even with improvements to our educational systems and delivery options, we're still mostly a linear pathway, but potentially lots and lots of choices along the way, maybe with multiple on-ramps and off-ramps, and more degree options than we can imagine as our legacy institutions struggle with personalization at scale. We just recently announced our system for credit enrollment exceeds 50,000 students. How can we hope to provide personalized experience at scale to deliver the best outcomes for every possible student for 50,000 individual students that attend the University of Hawaii system today? This isn't just an institutional problem. This is a challenge with data, with our ability to deliver the proper customer experience at scale, and frankly, a fundamental challenge for Hawaii to deliver the right solution now. This is the place that our challenge currently sits, solving for the needs of the many with so many combinations and permutations of solutions to deliver our own personal dream career. At the core, our challenge is all about choice. Sounds like the Matrix. On one hand, you have all the interests and dreams of prospective students that just want to dream. On the other hand, you have almost unlimited choices of educational pathways to get from here to there. And finally, yes, there's a third hand, all that data that is available to help you connect the dots. If only you had a tool that could help you. Our friends at Google have already delivered a starting point, an experiment in their world called Career Dreamer that helps you assemble your thoughts as to education, skills, abilities, and interests, and start to visualize your dream career, totally connected with data, including links to job postings, data on work experiences, and compensation. Give it a try. The link is at the bottom of the page. A very compelling marriage of vast data resources with a pretty cool user experience. Career Dreamer was built with you in mind, absolutely data-driven and AI-enhanced, a friendly and approachable user experience built for exploration, but it's still missing a critical piece, and therein lies my challenge. Help us fill in the blank between interests and your personally defined starting point, be it a middle schooler, a high schooler, and someone that in a career but that just wants a change. Seek out your own personal UH pathway to achieve your career dream. Find that right program, maybe a specific set of credit or non-credit courses, picking up on those breadcrumbs to assemble your UH pathway to success. Our challenge is to get from this to this. No, it doesn't have to look exactly like this. Please help us fill in the blank or figure out what UH educational course, certificate, degree, credential, stackable non-credit offerings will help you fill in your bridge for all of our prospective students. Lift the fog and create the UH AI Pathfinder experience. Imagine, for example, you already have foundational skills as a data scientist with some gaps in cloud computing and neural networks. Well, here's your recommendation. Take a look at ICS 491F and ICS 499, available this spring at Manoa, to turn your dream into an actionable plan. We have already extracted datasets to provide the inputs to help your AI solution chart the course. Please take on our challenge and help us clear the fog. Take us from this to this. Accept our challenge. Thank you very much.